Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. So we've got increased volatility. I mean, it's obvious. We've had a $60 break in feeders, $25 break in fats, and we're all pretty puckered up and looking at this thing thinking, wow, this is hard to trade, and it is. You know, it's like I said earlier this week, it's like playing hopscotch in the middle of a freeway. You know, I mean, it's dangerous just trading these futures. So had several limit down days. We had even one day recovery of limit up there towards the end and stabilized a little bit Thursday. So, and on what news? You know, we're going to have tight numbers going forward. That's not fixed yet. We've got just that supply issue that's still in front of us. We've had just politics. You know, we've got politicians getting involved in the cattle industry, or at least saying that they're going to, what they want to change, that beef prices are high, and that's, you know, in the headlines. It's just unfortunate that beef prices are saying that we're too high on beef when absolutely everything around us is high too. And the years of suppressed prices that we've had in the cattle industry, that we've finally got some profits and record profits, it's frustrating for all of us. So yes, I hear you. I feel you there. So what happens now? I mean, we've recovered a little bit. We've had the Mexican Prime Minister here, and what they're saying is there's no date set yet on when to open the border. The announcements weren't, hey, we want to keep America safe, we don't want the screwworm here. It's more, we don't have a date set. So I guess you can read into it that way. Like, I guess there's plans to open the border, and I think that's one of the most important things we have. Yes, importing beef can, you know, hinder this market, but we've been net importers for so many years, and I feel like that's not going to be the big thing that pushes us over. It could aid in it, but it's those feeder cattle coming out of Mexico. I think that's what the funds are going to look at to really trade against. So, because feeder calf prices right now that we've stabilized, are just rocket shipping back up. It's just so impressive how high they can be and stay at those prices. So it's more than just a couple guys bidding on them, because it's just happening from barn to barn. So once we started trading the futures again, that led back on. That's what got us to the high prices that we were at. Had some 230 fat trade in the north throughout the week. And then here today, or on Thursday, I guess I'll say, we had some 235 and 235.50 in the south. So, hey, that all feels really good. So, and if we do say, hey, we're going to try to make the cattle ranchers make less, so beef prices go down, in my opinion, that's not going to happen. It would just be packers, retailers throwing margin back on the product. So I think our beef prices are probably here to stay, but we've got tight supply going ahead yet. So that's what we're going to have to fall back on until we hear any news about the Mexican border. So that's a lot. Questions, call us, Varilek Trading. We'd love to hear from you. The risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.